Hello guys, today instead of doing planting videos, anything like that, we're going to be checking on our plants. So these are some cucumbers. Remember in the last few videos, we planted some cucumbers. These are now popping their heads up. Not all of them are. There's probably one, two, three good ones, and then there's one bent that way for some reason. So we're going to take these out because if you shade them and they go really hot, they will die from there. So we're gonna take these out and we're gonna put them in pots. If you do have plants and you do want to take them out, you can do this. So I'm taking them out like that. I've just took one out. This is the first one we've took out yet. Doesn't look very good, but. So we're going to do the next one. So if you get a spoon, grab it by the leaf like this. And then with the back of don't use it like that, like you normally used to eat. But do it from the bottom and then dig it up. Don't handle it with the roots, handle it with the leaf. And then with your pot you dig it a hole so the plant can have it. And then you put the soil over it. And then the plant will be done. That will be the second one. Okay, so we're going to do the third one. I think we've got 1, 2, 3 more to do. We've already done 2, so we're going to do 5. I'm going to get this one, guys. Get it up. Keep it. Okay. Next one. Boom. Oh, there we go. It's in. Package is on. There we go. We've only got 2 more to go, guys. 2 more. Okay, so we're going to do the next one. I'm going to do this one. I'm getting the best ones out. I'm going to do the worst. I think that's the most, the one that balanced the most. Is that one probably. And now we probably, this one doesn't look mega good because there's 2 in there. I'll do this one now. Well, this one, that. Okay, this is the last one. Oh, you do hear footsteps. My dad is putting them. So I don't really do that. That was looked. So that's all the pots. So we've only got these to go. So we're gonna let them grow more, and then we're gonna take them out and do the same like we would the other ones. Hello guys, I've got my little dog here, aren't you? Yeah, I do. Yeah, there you go. So we've got the seeds here. So we're gonna put these here. Oh yeah, please do not stand up. We're gonna put this on. You think it's like the propagator, but it doesn't keep them as hot as they used to be. They'll still be warm. We'll put this on because they'll be warm, and when it is night time, to keep them warm as it is cold. It's got if it was going to be hot, all the hotness would come out of here because there's the holes in here. So this is the end of the video. So please can you smash the like button and subscribe for more gardening videos. I'll see you guys. Bye.